Hi everyone, I would like to show you my pet project with JavaScript and Cypress for user interface testing and API, and the GitHub Actions in terms of CI/CD and Cypress Dashboard to see the results of test execution. So this is the application I'll be testing. This is the custom application with basically different elements, something like stepper, forms. Um, Also, you have model windows, tables, and different elements I interact in my user interface tests. And let me show you the project Cypress. So inside of Cypress folder, I have end-to-end test and regression and smoke folder. Inside of smoke folder, I have API tests. So this is the test where I interact with Open API. And I have regression tests where I have user interface tests for the application I recently showed you. So in terms of sensitive data, I put it in I keep it in a Cypress environment JSON file, but I don't commit this file into a remote repo, and I'll show you why. So let me prepare a new commit. I'm on the dev branch right now, and for example, I'm a developer and I would like to delete this line of code. And I create message code. Okay, we commit and we push into dev. We should wait a little bit. And I go into my GitHub repo, I refresh it, and I can see that I received new updates. So I go into actions, and yeah, I can see my commit message, and I can see that I received updates from dev branch. So I click on this run, I go into workflow file, and let me show you this custom workflow. So first of all, on every push on dev branch, I trigger my job, I run it on Ubuntu latest, check out the code, and remember I told you that I don't commit Cypress environment JSON because I take my secret data from GitHub secrets and I put it into file on Ubuntu latest server. So then Cypress just interact with this file and take all the sensitive data from this file. Then I install dependencies and run custom command npm run Cypress smoke end to end. Let me show you this custom command. Basically, in this command, Cypress smoke end to end, I start server. I wait for server to run on localhost 4200, and then I run my Cypress smoke tests, which is API test. So let me pause the video and I'll show you where I have my tests executed. Okay, now I can see that my job is completed, and I can go and see job results within the GitHub. For example, I open and I can go into Cypress Cloud. And inside of Cypress Cloud, I can see the commit message and I can see the test result. So for every test, I even can watch the video and get the full information about every test. Okay, imagine we are satisfied with the result. We can see that our test passed, and we would like to pull into QA. Okay, we are ready for QA. Oops, Q required version is blocked. Okay, let me see what is going on. Okay, I took the wrong branch to merge. Okay, code refactored, for example, pull request. Okay, and we also confirm merge. And right now I should see my tests running on QA branch. I go into this job running and I can see that I have two jobs running, and that's because I run regression tests in parallel. Because it's a bigger regression, it takes much more time to finish. And let me show you the workflow file. So here I have on every QA push, I have two containers, so basically two machines to run on, and I check out my code, and here I use also I put my secret credentials into Cypress environment JSON file, and then I use Cypress and GitHub Actions instead of custom commands. I install dependencies, start server, wait server to start on this specific port, and then I run regression tests from regression folder. I record it, and I tell GitHub Actions to run it in parallel. So yeah, that's the approach I apply, and let me show you the results when it's finished. Okay, I can see both of my jobs successfully finished, and I can also go into every job and check out the results inside of the cloud. So yeah, here I can access test results and see both specs running onto machines. So basically, it's a very convenient Cypress tool. Okay, for example, we are satisfied with QA as well, and that's the last thing I wanted to show you. I want to, for example, merge into master. Can do like merge master QA. I create pull request, and okay, I have some conflicts, but I wanted to show you that here we can see all the checks from Cypress, and we can see also all the details. So on every pull request, we also access the results of our test execution, and it's a very convenient thing to do. So basically, yeah, this is the everything I wanted to show you. And have a good day and take care. Bye bye.